Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox this Hot Wheels 5 pack. Before unboxing this pack, let me introduce myself. My name is Jyotipriya Basu and this is my channel where I will start unboxing new packs or will introduce Hot Wheels cars as a collector. I am just a new beginner of the collection of cars. So let's unbox. So today we have this Hot Wheels 5 pack. Look at those colors. These are the very great colors. One of my favorite pack it is actually Nightburnerz pack, which is come with 5 different Hot Wheels. I especially like the yellow one. So let's see its name and which cars we are going to get from this pack. So first it is 67 Shelby GT500. Second one is Nissan 300 2X twin turbo, and third one, which is my favorite one, the yellow one, Megane Trophy. As you can see here, also Hot Wheels also showcase this beautiful car here as a package picture. And fourth one is 2018 COPO Camaro SS, and the fifth one, which is actually a fantasy car, that is a Gazella R. So let's unbox this pack. So now we are going to unbox this package. As you can see here, I have already opened this package. Right now let's open this one. Wow, so as you can see here, this is the 5 cars. The looks very beautiful. Here we have red one, orange one, yellow one, blue, and the black one. So my favorite is, to be very honest, yellow one. So okay, let's showcase one after another. Okay, shall we? Yes, so we can proceed. So first we have Shelby. So this one is a Shelby. Okay, so as you can see here, the red finishing, it is very beautiful looking car. As you can see here the logo, let me show you how. Here is the Hot Wheels logo is here, and as you can, this is a Shelby GT. It looks very promising, and that to be very honest, in red color it is look fantastic. In downside it is a chrome. I really like chrome ones, which is looking magnificent, and it is giving a 80s or 90s vibe, I can see. And as you can see here, the grills and the headlights and also the front and back, it's looking so promising, and it is look kind of very fascinating. This will be my second favorite one amongst the 5. Yes, it's pretty good, decent one. Next we have orange one. It is GT. Let me check. It is Nissan 300 ZX. So as you can see here, it is also very stunning looking, and the back side of this car is looking promising. It is looking almost real, and here is the Hot Wheels logo, as you can see here. And the wheels, it is a 5-spoke wheels, which is perfectly looking fine absolutely with this car. And here it is a twin mill, so it's looking also promising, and it is actually giving the vibe of the night racers. So yes, it's also one of my favorite. And now my most favorite one, it is okay. Now this one is my favorite one. It is kind of little heavy, and also its name is the favorite one mine and I have already forgotten the name is actually. So this is right, Megane Trophy, right? This one is looking very promising, and one of my most favorite one by far. So the finishing, those custom designs, and the Renault sports here, it is looking absolutely magnificent. the details here, as you can see here, I am sure whether you guys are able to see the inside of this car, but those design and the outlines, everything is so minute details are there. And this backside spoilers, it is looking very good. Okay, what is here, it is, maybe it is looking in camera a little yellow, but in front it is a little bit of orange. So I don't know, maybe it's my camera's fault, or maybe it's looking like in this video. Okay, so right now it is giving a vibe of orange a little bit. So this one is also very good. And the 10 spoke wheel with the white color, it is looking absolutely gorgeous. I will rate this around 8 to 9 out of 10. Let me know which you thinks about this car. So now the fourth one, the blue one. So this is COPO Camaro 2018 version. This is also one of the very good stunning car. As you can see here, this is the glasses, and as you can see here, this is the inside of the car, and the mark with the white markings are looking very gorgeous on this, and giving totally a night racers vibe here. So I suggest you, this is when you are looking from the, when you will look from in front of you, it will give a night racing vibes also. So yes, I kinda like of this one also. Now coming to the fifth one. So the fifth one is a fantasy car. So before telling this is a fantasy car, give me an idea. So basically Hot Wheels create 4 or 3 types of cars, and fantasy cars are these cars which Hot Wheels make their own design. So this is not a original car, it is a fantasy one. So but it's looking, it is body is plastic made of, others are everybody's bodies are metal, but this one is plastic, so its weight is a little lighter side. Okay, the chassis is metal, but apart from that, yeah, everything is plastic. So yes, it is also a decent color, but to be very honest, I don't like this one very much. I mean, the color combination of red and black, I pretty love this, but the design not so good. And let me know what your perspective in the but to be very honest, if I rate this one car, I will give around 6 or maybe 6.5. but this is, but apart from that, the whole package very good, and I love these packages. This is the one of the favorite package. Apart from this, another package which I love the most, it is a retro racing pack. So let me give a So as you can see here, I have reviewed these 5 cars. I hope you guys like it. This is my very first video. Hope you will like it, and let me know if I made any mistake or any things I need to improve. I will happy to hear everything about it. Just leave a comment or subscribe, and if you like this video, give a like. Share and subscribe also included. And this is my first video. Hope you will, I will bring on new videos coming near future. Thumbs up.